on our first real day at sea. Good morning from the beautiful, beautiful waters of the Atlantic Ocean. All right, good morning. It is our first day. My hair is looking bad because I just woke up, but as we walked out, we got some pixie dust. Miranda, what did we get?
Look at this cute little fella. The little crochet one that does yoga. He's so cute.
Yeah, so we got pixie dust this morning. We're gonna head to Cafe and see what they have for breakfast, and then after that, go to Cove Cafe, get a latte. And then after that, probably go to the Rainforest spa area, and then just make it a day. We'll report back, but this is day one at sea. Miranda, we're gonna have some fun.
Yeah.
What are you looking forward to?
Oh, the rainforest room.
The Rainforest room? Yep. We're looking forward to the Rainforest room, so. All right, day one breakfast. Pretty healthy-ish. Yeah, Miranda, what do you think of the breakfast?
It's yummy. It's pretty basic,
Yeah, right.
but I'm fine with basic.
Yeah, she made her granola. I got mine like pre-made. Watermelon, eggs, spinach, potatoes, sausage,
Those potatoes
bacon.
look yummy.
Yeah. So we're gonna dig in and see how it tastes. I mean, pretty basic. So I need breakfast do justice.
Yeah, it was yummy. Nice and simple.
Yep, I devoured it. Gone.
Yeah.
Now we're going.
Cove Cafe to find a latte.
Yep, we're gonna go to Cove Cafe, find a latte, and just look at our view for breakfast. It can't be. It feels good. We're stress-free. Cove Cafe. Alright, so we're sitting by the water. This is our seats for today. Miranda taking some photos. We got our coffee. We got the ocean. We got a couple ships in the distance. We're gonna have a great day. So Belle's out and about. Yeah, someone's getting ready to take pictures over there. We're going to O'Gill's for our Heroes Trivia. And we're gonna do our first trivia. We just went to the Rainforest room. And it was amazing. I think we're gonna spend all our time there, right, Miranda? Yeah. We just,
I want to lay in those chairs.
there's these warming chairs, and we'll video it later, but there's these warming chairs that are just, it's like you get up and you just don't want to get up. It's like being in a warm, cozy bed. But we're gonna go to O'Gill's, check out that for Heroes Trivia, and then we still are a day at sea, and then there'll be a day at sea tomorrow, but we want to take advantage of these trivias. So we'll report back. All right, trivia, here we go. All right, which trivia are you playing?
Heroes trivia?
Heroes.
There's a Marvel trivia at some point too.
Yeah, so we're gonna do Heroes Trivia. We'll see how we do.
Question number 1. The following is a quote. Who said it and from what movie? Venture outside your comfort zone. The rewards are worth it.
Oh,
That was the quote. Venture outside your comfort zone. The rewards are worth it. Who's already winning? No one. Great, know this one.
Brenda, how we doing?
I really just say that about the ones that I would know, so. Question number 12. Oh yes, the past can hurt, but the way I see it, you can either run from it or learn from
You know
it.
this? We should.
I should know that one. That's my favorite movie.
We got one right. Woohoo! All right, so we got 11
Already,
points. We
how
did
many
too
people got
hot.
more than 5
Miranda?
points? Look at that, geniuses all around the room. Who got more than 7 points?
Yeah.
9 points.
Yep.
11 points.
We got 11.
More
We
than
got
11 points.
Yep.
More than 13. More than 15. More than.
We had some magic shots. We had some pictures.
We went to the DVC member meetup. Got some free drinks.
How many drinks do you have?
2.
2. Yeah.
They were free.
They're free. And now we're going to go to Cabanas to eat some lunch. There's some Disney trivia on. Everybody's at the pool. We may go back to the Rainforest. But now we're off to lunch. As you can see into the abyss. Yep, there's the abyss. Everything. This is glorious. So we're going to do Cabanas and then there's a trivia later on. But yeah, we're continuing this magical trip that we are having a blast at. All right, we're at lunch. Looks really good. They got sushi, shrimp, ham, red beans and rice, green beans, and broccoli. Miranda got her, definitely her staple, which is the shrimp.
And crab legs.
Did you get that yesterday?
Yeah.
Are you gonna be shrimped out? You may turn pink. Flamingo. All right, so we're gonna eat at Cabanas and enjoy. All right, we're in Disney trivia. Tunes trivia.
I heard that this was really hard, so we'll see how we do. And
see.
apparently, I heard from somebody else it's all instrumental. Also, I'm very tired because we've just been chilling in the
For
spa
like
for like an hour and a half.
yeah,
2
an hour and a
hours.
half.
I need
It was
a
insane.
nap.
Did you not take a nap?
No.
I took one,
reading.
about 5-minute nap, and then I went into the rainforest.
Yep. So it was lovely. So.
Hi, friends. How are we doing? How are we enjoying our first day at sea? Hi. Oh, he's so adorable. Oh, I just want to go pet him, but I'm doing a trivia. All right.
All right, so we just took a nap, 30 minutes. And we are off to go get ready for dinner. And look, everybody's out for dinner. Or everybody's out to get ready for dinner. I think Racket Raffle's on.
This area was teeming with people.
Yeah, there was a lot of people here. Not Racket Ralph. I don't have a clue what that is. But we're going to go to dinner. We'll meet you back in the room, but I just want to show you guys this. About 6 o'clock. Actually, about 4 o'clock. People get ready to go to the dinner because there's 2 times you can go eat, 6 and 8 o'clock. And there's Funnel Vision. All right. We'll report some room service. All right, we got room service. We got 2 gluten-free muffins, a chocolate one, and a blueberry one. And then Miranda ordered a cheese plate if I don't tip anything over. So there's a cheese plate.
Oh.
Yeah, little cheeses. And then, did you order crackers?
I don't think they had any.
All right, so we got that and coffee because we need some energy. Hey, Mickey. Hey, Manny. Who's driving the ship? All right, so we're gonna go into Animator's Palate tonight. So we're eating, it's formal night. So we're gonna do our first. saw you last night.
Yeah,
Oh,
of course. At the
magic. Magic, right?
What do you mean?
You showed up here and you went last night in different clothes, like
That's
just
right.
magic.
This way, guys.
This way? How's the service? Because they remember our name, they remember what we like, they remember what we have.
They are so kind. They're great.
Yeah.
They're so nice. It makes you feel real special. It's fun.
Yeah, it makes you real special. And then when you have this thing in your hand, it makes it even special. Right? All right, got a little crush going on.
Check it out. Me and my fish family were like tailors in the big old blue. We saw you did the same. Let's say like tail and hang together, kids. That's cool. Let me hear you say jaw.
Shaw.
All right, dudes, come on down. Please say
Dudes,
jaw.
come on down. All right, so I got this. What is it? Salmon tartare? Yeah, I forgot what I got. Salmon tartare. Miranda got. What did you get?
Like a potato and cheese soup.
Potato and cheese soup.
Has a little spice to it. Very
How does
yummy.
it taste? Good.
Nice and warm and yummy.
All right, so I'm gonna dig into this, see how this tastes. I've never had tartare before of any kind or of any meat, so it's gonna be interesting. All right, my second helping: the chicken. I can't talk. Chicken walnut, raspberry dressing salad. Miranda, how was your soup?
It was delicious. It wasn't overly cheesy and it wasn't overly heavy. It was nice and creamy. It was very good.
Had a kick to it.
It did have a kick to it. It had like a peppery kick on the back end. I really enjoyed it.
Yep, and mine was the salmon tartare, which was, how was that?
Oh, that was very good. I've never had tartare. It is, I think, just raw tuna, and it was on a bed of cucumbers, but it was smoky. It had like a smoky sweetness to it. It was very refreshing. I honestly felt like I was eating sushi without the rice, but it also had this mayo something on top. I don't know, but it didn't taste like mayonnaise, but it was this creamy sauce, and there was dill in it, and it was very refreshing and light. I could get that again.
All right, now on to the salad. Let's see how the chicken salad. All right, so I got the tuna steak. It's on like it's a hash. There's a hash with potatoes, or not potatoes. There's a smashed hash or smashed. It's a mash. Potatoes. There's some cucumbers, some onions, some tomatoes. Miranda, what'd you get?
Lemon thyme chicken with some mashed potatoes.
Oh, how's the mashed potatoes?
Those are good.
Good. Not excellent, but good. Totally. There's our waiter. Darling. Darling. Gorgeous. Darling. Awesome. Darling. Swimmy. Miranda, what do you have there?
Some type of chocolate walnut cake. I don't know, let's try it. I don't really like nuts. Get a little of the raspberry.
So we'll try it. Interesting. The face was.
I still don't like nuts. I like the top, I like chocolate. I like chocolate.
You like chocolate? Okay. And I had the cafe, or the chai tea. Was it chai tea? No, it was chai tea. Chai tea caramel pecan. All right, there's our dessert. Looking mighty fine. Back from dinner, and we see what we got.
I think it's a penguin.
That's a penguin with my sunglasses.
It's so cute, and she tucks Minnie.
And she tucks me in every single time. Oh my gosh. She's awesome. So a little penguin with sunglasses and some chocolates. And she folded our clothes. Oh, she is the best. All right, we're gonna see if we can go to watch Guardians, maybe change a little bit, walk a little bit, and then probably hit the hay. She just hops in bed as soon as I come out and get my clothes on, and we're about to go watch Guardians of the Galaxy, and look where I find her. In the stinking bed with Minnie.
It looked very comfy.
And this girl's got a Disney World Spirit jersey on.
Yeah.
Because she's cold.
It's chilly.
Yes, I get it. It's chilly inside. So
Tips for cruising. Bring a cardigan for the dining room.
yes, bring a cardigan for dining room. And also, what's the other tip for a show? Since we're going on tips.
Oh, get there early. Corey and I, well, tonight was formal night, so obviously it took a little longer to get ready than originally planned. And Corey and I were rushing over to the show, and people get there very early for shows. So just a heads up, if you're going to one of the Broadway shows on the ship, definitely get there early. People were lining up for, like, waiting for the doors to open. So we'll be more prepared tomorrow.
Yes, we will. One thing you should know about us is we love Marvel, so we're going to go watch Guardians of the Galaxy. Miranda, is this one of your favorite movies?
Yeah.
Yes, because we absolutely love Groot. So we're going to go watch it upstairs on Funnelvision. Follow us. Let's go. First movie on the Funnelvision, actually. Guardians, here we go. See if I can find a seat.